Being a leader in automotive lighting, Rigid is always improving their products. The D-Series Pro driving lights are proof that they are one step ahead. Thanks to the advancement of LED lights, the D-Series lights have gotten an upgrade with the D-Series Pro. The housing of these lights is made from a high-grade alloy for durability, and just like the D-Series fog lights, these lights have an impact-resistant lens to protect your lights. Not only are the D-Series Pro driving lights built tough, they are made to work. These lights offer more output than ever before, and that's saying a lot. The D-Series Pro are available in a black or white UV-resistant housing to protect them from the sun without sacrificing style. The D-Series Pro lights are made for the trail as they are off-road use only, and Rigid has added features that will keep you going through the night. The lights are also IP68 rated so that dust, dirt, and sand that are kicked up when driving won't damage your light's working parts. It also means that if you take your Jeep off-road and have to cross through mud or water, your D-Series Pro driving lights will be protected. The light itself is also built with tons of protection for the internal electronics, including reverse polarity protection, an integrated thermal management system, a high alloy heatsink, and more. Installing these Rigid lights requires wiring and running power, so if this isn't something you're experienced with, we do recommend finding some assistance and installing these lights on your Jeep. If you are interested in purchasing the D-Series Pro driving lights by Rigid or looking to have them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.